At the very beginning of our audio journeys, it's a challenge often to get a good center image, and this short video will explain to you how to fix that, how to get a good center field. That's why I'm showing the speakers on the side. So basically, if you have problem with center image, so basically it's either coming from left side or right side, one of the sides, but not from the center, then the problem is with loudspeaker placement. And how can you fix that? It's very easy. Use your method that you have learned how to place your loudspeakers. If you don't have any method for that, then do a search. Do an internet search, do a Google search, do a YouTube search. Hans Beekhuyzen comes to my mind. He's from the Netherlands and he has a very good YouTube channel. He has great explanations on how to properly place your loudspeakers for stereo use. By the way, you can do that for home theater use as well if you want to enjoy movies with high sound quality. That's the way to go. However, for now I just want to focus on the center field so that you have a good center field. So basically for that you just place down your speakers wherever they are. And if you already have a good center field, so the musicians are playing around here, right? And then you're good to go. If not, then the problem is with how far the speakers are setting from each other. So basically what you want to do is you want to put your loudspeakers as far away from each other so you have a bigger image, so the musicians don't become like a narrow playground of like just wedged into a really tiny spot. We want to put the speakers as far away from each other as possible so that you have the biggest soundstage possible. Now, when you move the speakers aside, certain things happen. One of them, the key thing that happens is that the further the speakers are, the mid bass weakens out, the mid bass support weakens, and the ability of your system to render a coherent image will decrease as well beyond a certain point. So in every room, every loudspeaker amplifier combination has its ability, how far away you can place these guys. And based on your room, based on your amp speaker combo, basically you have to start from a situation. And if you don't have a good center image, move the speakers closer until it clicks. And if you have a good center image already, you can try moving them further if you want to have a bigger soundstage, and just stop at the point when you still have center image. When you pull them away, at one point it will go away. So thank you guys, that's it. That's how to take care of the center field. But the prerequisite for that is you need to listen to recordings that have center field. For example, just a peek preview, Rush's Caress of Steel does not have center field. So if you have succeeded in setting your system to have center field for this recording, then 90% of other recordings will not have center field. If you want to check that out why that is, that needs a longer explanation, and see you at the other video of this center field, which is the longer version. So thank you guys for tuning in. This was the short video. Bye bye.